Caffeine is a bitter substance that occurs naturally in plants including coffee beans, tea leaves which are used to flavor soft drink colas. Caffeine is a stimulant, which means it raises brain and nervous system activity. It also boosts the body's circulation of hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Caffeine is classified as a drug because it stimulates the central nervous system, increasing alertness. Caffeine enhances mood and gives a momentary energy boost. Caffeine can be found in chocolate, a variety of soft drinks, as well as pain treatments and other over-the-counter medications. It is the world's most used drug and also causes anxiety and increase blood pressure. It stimulates the central nervous system and keeps us awake by inhibiting a sleep-inducing substance called adenosine. Adenosine is the substance produced in the body when our body breaks down an ATP molecule to get energy. Adenosine is released and binds to the receptors in the brain. As a result of adenosine binding, brain signaling slows down and it induces sluggishness. When a person takes caffeine, he feels awake because caffeine blocks the binding of adenosine to the receptors in the brain and avoids sluggishness. Caffeine can also enhance dopamine binding which induce pleasure and enhance mood. It can also enhance the body's ability to burn fats, that is why used by some athletes to burn fat. Caffeine intake in higher doses can cause harmful effects on the human body. It might cause alertness, but also induces urination and increased GIT movement by increasing heart rate and blood pressure. Higher doses of this drug makes your body resistant to its effects and can cause anxiety. Your brain adapts regular caffeine consumption and your body will make new adenosine receptors to compensate the inhibition. Sudden quitting causes withdrawal symptoms of caffeine like mood swings, anxiety, sleepiness and headache. You will have to reduce caffeine consumption slowly to avoid these withdrawal effects of caffeine. Moderate to low caffeine consumption is healthier to human body to work effectively without getting lazy. Having 1 coffee cup a day can be alright, but having 5 to 6 cups of coffee can seriously affect your health in a very negative manner.